Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, returning up to 43 miles per gallon, an insurance group of 10, and the car's covered just over 37,000 miles and has been serviced 7 times. This particular colour is called Frozen White, and I must say for a 10-year-old car, the paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. A few features worth mentioning. You've got a CD player there in the centre with your radio, as well as your air conditioning and quick clear front windscreen controls below. And this car also has the electric mirrors and front windows there on the door card as well. Being the five-door version, easy access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and the rear passengers have a cup holder and pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And let's open the tailgate. You have the good sized boot there on the Fiesta with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And underneath the boot floor, you have your tyre inflator. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to do a quick test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.